Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a restaurant menu card in Canva, whether it's for your business or for your client. So the first thing, you need to go to canva.com, of course, sign up if you haven't already, and then of course you can have a free account and not pay for the Canva Pro one. And then in the search bar you're gonna write restaurant menu, and the Canva will come up with many templates. As you can see, 72,000 templates, which people have already created for you. So most of them are for Pro version only, and those are the ones which are the most beautiful probably, but you can definitely find a free one, a beautiful free one too. Also, there's another way how to find a Canva template, Canva templates for a restaurant menu, and I will show it for you in a second. But first of all, we're gonna choose which template suits us and which one we're gonna use to create a restaurant menu. So, for example, let's choose maybe these are all the pros which are the most attractive, but maybe let's choose this one, and you're gonna click on customize this template. And now you can change a lot of things here. So of course we can change photos, we can change the font. So something like, let's find a beautiful script. And basically you edit here, you write down your menus. Of course, the menu page is not one. You're gonna duplicate the page and you're gonna write other dishes and add the pictures. So that's the one way how you can do that. The other way is to go to creativefabrica.com, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description below for you to sign up if you want to. Basically you sign up to Creative Fabrica, and you're gonna write down restaurant menu in the search bar, and the Creative Fabrica will come up with all these Canva templates which are already created by by people, and these are actually really pretty ones. So you can, for example, if you have a waffle restaurant, you can find really good menu right here. After that, you're gonna download this menu, and then you're gonna open the zip file, and here you can find basically this is not a Canva template, so it doesn't fit us. Let's find the Canva one. So this one, we're gonna download it again, open the zip file, and basically here is the link to Canva. I'm just gonna copy it. So when I opened the Canva link from Creative Fabrica, this is what I got: the menu, the appetizers, and you can edit everything, and that's it, and just download it. So, and there's a lot to choose from, like for example this the modern one, simple one, fast food or delicious restaurant, grunge menu. You're gonna find on Creative Fabrica a lot of beautiful templates like on Canva. Also, of course, you can sign up to Canva Pro and have all these beautiful templates also for your restaurant menu card. So that's basically it. You're just gonna you of course can change the background color. If you want a darker one, then you just choose all of the fonts and change all the fonts and the colors of it, and then you just click on share, download, and PDF standard, or if you are gonna to print it, of course, PDF print. And that's basically it, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.